Hello friends. Now today we are going to see pressure sensitive adhesive tapes for various industries. We begin our this training basically with PSA tapes for automobiles. Market is automobile applications. The specific applications are high performance adhesive systems to meet the strict OEM technical and quality requirements for automobiles, especially for wire harness system, vehicle and component assembly applications. Automobile applications. The world leaders like Scapa, Tesa, 3M manufacture variety of adhesive tapes meant for automobile. Let us see some of the products made by Scapa. They offer a wide range of customized solutions aimed at improving the manufacturing process and reducing waste material. Automobile applications such as or tapes such as acrylic foam tapes, PE polyurethane and PVC foam tapes, thermal conductive and shielding tapes, electrically conductive and EMI and RFT shielding tapes, wire harness tapes, foam laminating, butyl sealants. The other applications like aircraft corrosion inhibitor is a full series of vinyl and polyurethane corrosion inhibiting moisture and seal tapes. Aircraft fine line masking tapes. They provide fine mask offline on straight and curved compound surfaces with no tearing or buckling. Key applications: anti-squeak and rattle, bonding and sealing of roof trim and cladding, bonding, mounting, sealing exterior components, emblem, badge, decal, chrome bonding, dissimilar material separation, electrical conductive and EMI RFI shielding, gap filling and oscillation reduction, journal wire wrapping and identification, heat protection, impact resistance, mirror mounting, noise management, sealing, sound damping, thermal conductivity and shielding, automobile tapes for mounting and holding, for various damping applications like sound damping, vibration damping, dust prevention, sealing gaps, joints, cladding, automotive fine line masking, bond breakers, sound dampening. Here are some photographs. You can watch the interiors where the tapes are used. Automotive cable mounting. TESA automotive cable mounting solutions for maximum reliability and efficiency. Ultimate reliability on demand. The cables must not become unattached or loose. That's why these tapes are used. High performance against noise disturbances. noise, vibration, and harness. Either way, unwanted noises while driving are highly annoying and unpleasant. Tesla Automotive offer a wide variety of damping anti-squeak products to eliminate noises right from the start. Here are a couple of photographs. Hole covering. In the assembly line, there are many holes drilled onto the body, and these adhesive brackets from Tesla, they help in hole covering. The tape brackets are designed to fulfill all requirements of high quality hole covering in a very economical way and are also offered in custom specific dimensions upon request. Mirror assembly. Tesla offers automotive mirror assembly for safe driving for complete transportation industry. Exterior and interior mirrors are essential components of a vehicle to ensure safety driving. For heated and non-heated exterior mirrors as well as interior mirrors, Tesla offers a comprehensive range. Automotive security leveling. Here are a couple of pictures showing the actual products. Some levels have to be absolutely tamper-proof and others have to resist extreme external influences. Example in engine area. Surface protection is another big requirement for automobiles, especially the new vehicles in the interior and exterior applications. Temporary applications like surface protection, brilliance at first glance, vehicle surfaces, clear coats, plastics, metals need to be clean and undamaged in order for customer to have a positive first impression of the vehicle. The smallest defects on surface can spoil aesthetics and cause complaints. For masking in paint shop, here are a couple of pictures for you. Automotive paint masking. The masking tapes manufactured by Tesa or Skipper or 3M are very popular. Masking tapes allows for reliable and fast processes during serial and repair painting also. Transportation. Vehicle assembly and trim solutions. Key applications and products. Mirror mounting, bonding and sealing of roof trim and cladding, Noise and vibration solutions. With the average vehicle traveling in excess of 100,000 miles or 160,000 kilometers during its lifetime, all components, cabling, bodywork have to be effectively installed so as not to cause unnecessary structure-borne quakes and rattles. Every vehicle's noise level has to be analyzed and controlled. Using the most effective noise absorption and vibration dampness is critical to achieve this. Key applications and products: separation of dissimilar materials. Double-sided foam tapes ensures firm bonding between two substrates, whilst their high conformality compensates for any surface irregularities. They are ideal for sound absorption also. Gap filling and oscillation reduction, noise management, impact resistance, wire harness solutions. The use of electronic devices in motor vehicles is increasing every year. The harnessing has to withstand high temperatures, chemicals, abrasion throughout the lifetime of the vehicle. Key applications and products: general wrapping purpose and identification, anti-rattle, sound dampening, heat protection, sealing. Thank you. This was a production about PSA tapes that find application in automobiles. For more information, you can contact us on our email. You can watch our YouTube channel. You can visit and you can subscribe if you like this presentation. Thank you very much. You can download this presentation on slideshare.net as well.